What's up everybody, Marie here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe for more quick and simple beauty tips. If you are already a subby of my channel, thank you so much and I love you. So you guys, as you can see from the video title and the thumbnail, today we're going to be talking about skin. All right you guys, so I have very dry skin and I have eczema as well, like a slight case of eczema. Over the years it has gotten better, but I'm always trying to figure out new ways. Of course, diet and drinking water of course plays a role into your skin and how it reacts. But I'm always looking for a way to really give myself like a glowy, nice look under my makeup, and it's so hard, especially with our skin always and forever changing. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I use to get a glowy look and stay hydrated under your makeup, okay, keep watching. All right you guys, so the video that's going to be playing in just a little bit, I promise, in just a little bit, is basically me showing you guys how I do the foundation routine. And I wanted to go ahead and try it out a little bit before I actually posted this video on YouTube. And so this is what I have came up with. It has been working for me and hopefully it works for you. Okay, so when I get out the shower, after I'm done washing my face, I normally like to use either the black soap bar from Biore, or I've been using Purity liquid wash and it's really good. And then after that, normally when my face is still wet, when I get out the shower, I like to, you know, go ahead and proceed with my steps. But since I'm here with you guys, my face is already dry. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it with some water. This is just water in here. Now, normally in the shower, I'm washing my face with really warm water. So sometimes when I get out, I do use cold water to kind of close up my pores. And then what I like to do is go in with this ARIIE, the rose water. And I actually have these in the cucumber and the lavender. These are only $5 at Ulta. And I go in while my face is still wet. All right y'all, so as you can see, I've let my face dry up. It's still a little damp, but I let it dry up. You can kind of see the whole glow situation that's going on with the skin. Okay, so now I'm not gonna tell you no lie. I ain't gonna never tell you no lie. Okay, this is 100% soft shea. Now this stuff right here is thick. Okay, so I've had mine for a while. I'm just gonna go in. I mean, this stuff is really thick. Okay, what I'm gonna do is take it and warm it up in my hands first, because if not, you'll have like these little bits and pieces in there. So I'm gonna warm this up in my hands so it's totally smooth. And then I'm just gonna go in, and my face is still a little damp, but it's okay, because as your face is damp, you know, it's sucking in more moisture that way. I'm just kind of going in. See how my skin got that bounce back? Okay, so as you can see, my skin is looking even better. And of course, if you're not wearing makeup, this is just good for like an everyday, you know, moisture when you go to bed, when you wake up. And then of course when you go out, you could put some SPF on your face on top of this. But what I also like to do after I have sprayed, I like to go back in with the rose water. Like I'm almost sealing it in. You know, do what you want, girl, till you feel hydrated enough. Okay, after I'm done with my makeup, you can go back in with more rose water, or you can go in with my favorite, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then if you want to make sure that your foundation lasts a little longer, because this is kind of giving you a luminous, glowy you know, skin underneath your makeup, which normally tends to make the makeup break up a little bit throughout the day, and it won't give you like 24-hour coverage, you can go back in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray to lock in your look. All right, y'all, so I hope that you really like the makeup tutorial that's coming up. It's very simple. Y'all know I like very simple, very quick looks. I went ahead and stumbled across this because I ended up running out of the Embryolisi's cream. You know, we can't really go to the stores because of all that's going on, and this is what I came up with. So it's been working for me. I hope it works for you, and check it out.